Today I bought a new toy. See? Wow. So fun, isn't it? The little horn on its head and the little sign. So this is what it looks like. Let's press. Let's music though. I don't like music. It has batteries. Okay? It has batteries. It really has batteries. See? And when you press this button, it will move this. See? How can I push it through? Nice. So, it's our police car from El Cote. This Juanito, 1 to 5. It's the collection what it has. A dump truck, a car, a fire truck, a race car, an airplane that we talked about latest video, and the I don't know what is that. Maybe it's a Jeep or something. What about it? See, this is the same one as this one. Yeah. From toot Bolidos, that means Go Smart Wheels. Go Smart Wheels new police car. This is at the back. You can see him. He's shining with bright eyes. Start again. Yeah, it's good. Shiny, so shiny. Nice. So, there you have it, the review of the Juanito el Policía. See you later.